So once your machine is connected and you hit continue setup, you're going to see that it is going to write the configuration. So do not turn off the controller while you are doing this. And at this point, we're going to test out your wiring. Now, before we do that, a couple things to keep in mind is make sure you're looking at this wiring diagram, make sure and double check it, especially the Y1 and the Y2 axes. They actually look pretty similar, but the black and the green wire are actually flipped depending on if you're looking at the Y1 or the Y2 axis. So make sure you've got that right and that the rest of the wires and the colors look just like this diagram on the back of your machine. Now in a second, we're gonna go in and test all the axes and make sure everything is working right. But if you find that something isn't wired correctly and you need to go back and make a change, make sure you power off your machine first to keep it safe so you can make those changes and then power it back on and then go back to the beginning of the setup process and go through to this point again. Okay, so we've got test your wiring. So we are going to test our X-axis as well as our Y-axis and then our Z up and down. So to do the X, you just press the X either plus or minus. And you can see both this animation, when you do to the right, it's showing it should be moving to the right, which is what the machine is doing right now. And back this way. And then we're gonna go forward and back. So it's gonna go back from the view that you guys see. And if you see this animation, it should give you an idea if you're looking at the front of the machine, what it should look like. And again, going forward, so everything looks good. And then we're gonna go to the Z-axis. One thing you wanna make sure of is that your Z-axis isn't all the way at the bottom or all the way at the top, because if that's the case, you won't be able to run any higher or lower. So if it is all the way at the top, make sure and go down first, and the other way if it's all the way at the bottom. But anyway, so everything is looking right when we hit down. So when we hit down, it goes down. When we hit up, it goes up. And as you're going through this, you're gonna make sure everything was working correctly. So our X worked great. Our Y works great, and our Z works great. So if everything is good, you've got green yeses for everything, you go ahead and click continue and go to the next step. Now let's say you go through this setup and your Y-axis actually is wrong. What you can do anytime you hit no to any of these options under working correctly, it's gonna open up this help setting. So in the case of it moving in the wrong direction, if you click this, so you have a couple different options. You could actually physically rewire it right here, or you can flip the settings inside of the software. If you click this, this will walk you through how to do that. Now, one thing to keep in mind is the homing switches aren't activated. Same with the Z-axis, the one here at the very top isn't activated. So those aren't activated. So as you are jogging this around, just be careful you're not at one of the ends.